Hello friends, we will be using Dreamweaver to get know-how about this wonderful program, and we'll be creating a learning or a test website. First thing first, create a folder on your desktop or anywhere, and this is something very important. You have to do right things right from the beginning. So we'll say Dreamweaver learning website. We'll open Dreamweaver site, new site. We'll change the folder. We'll go to desktop, and this is the folder that we just created. Open, select, and name of the site is DW learning website. Now as you save it, you'll notice that this folder is here. You can create new folder here. For example, create a folder for images, and we will create another folder for videos, and that's it. So next step would be to create a new HTML page. These are the old files, recent files that I've been working on, and these are the things that you can do. So HTML file, and this is how it looks. Now as soon as you open a file, this is something very important, try and save the file, and it's important that you give it a name, index. Okay, now when you type in a website address, a URL in your browser, what happens, the browser looks for the server, and it goes onto the server, and then from server it looks for this index file, which is index.html file. Okay, so you have to save this file in the root folder. Now if I minimize this and go to this folder, you'll notice that the two folders that we created are here, and the index file, which is a HTML file, is also there. There's nothing in it though, so if you double click on it, it opens as a blank page in the Internet Explorer. So I'm going to close this, and we'll open Dreamweaver again. Now here the target here is to finish the tutorial within 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. So I'll be doing quickly. So there's several tabs here: common, layout, forms, data, and you can have a different layout depending upon the version plus your preferences. So this is a blank page, and you can have code, split view, and design view. Okay, so split view will show you a code and the design view here, and code will show you the code only. And what it does, it creates a, as soon as you open a page, it creates a code automatically. So that's the beauty of the Dreamweaver. Okay, now layout tab has a table icon, and it's a good practice to create tables because you can be organized and it's easy to manage. So we'll click on tables. We want maybe 5 rows and 2 columns, and table width maybe 900 pixels, cell padding 0, and cell spacing 0. Okay, now so this is the table width, and you can, if you don't see it here, you can go to this little eye, visual aid, and then if I click table widths off, then we cannot see the table width, and if I go back there and then see table widths, I can see the table widths. Now you have a property area in this area, and I want to center this table. If you go back to code view, it has added this code into the code area. We'll go back to design, and we want to center this table in the middle of the page, of course. So there's an align button here, center. Okay, so first row, this is a cell here. So if I select this is a row, this is just this cell here, this is a second cell here, and I can select either whole row or just one cell from here. Okay, so we will just merge these two cells, and the easiest way to do is this button here. So we'll do the same thing with this area. So it's one row now, one row, one row, one row. We want to change the color of this row here, so we'll select this, click in here, select TR or TH, doesn't really matter because it's same thing, and background color, left click here, and we want to change it to maybe this color. It's too dark, maybe we'll, okay, and this one we want to have it as a footer. So we'll merge these two, and we look at the code here is pound 999999 6 times. You can copy, go to your lowermost row, select it, and you can simply paste it, and the link bar and the footer are of same color now. The second row, we want to have a banner here, so I'll insert a temporary image object, image placeholder, and let's say we want to name it as banner, and the width we want 900 pixels, same as this, and we may want to height of the banner maybe 150, should be more than enough, and the background color, let's change it to blue. Okay, now we want to have this area as our text area, and I want to change